Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. This feature allows your followers to see that you're active on Threads, Instagram's latest social media platform. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing your profile settings. Next, click on your profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage all your settings. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button at the top of the screen and click on it. This will open a menu where you can customize various aspects of your profile. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Threads Badge. Here, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply enable this switch to activate the Threads badge on your profile. This step is crucial as it allows others to see that you're connected with Threads. After enabling the badge, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by tapping the checkmark or save button at the top right corner of the screen. Once saved, return to your profile to see the Threads badge displayed right below your username. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the Threads badge on your Instagram profile. This small but significant feature not only showcases your presence on Threads, but also helps your followers connect with you more easily across platforms. If you ever decide that you want to hide the badge again, simply repeat these steps and toggle off the Show Threads badge option. It's that simple. Thank you for joining me today. Now go ahead and flaunt that Threads badge on your Instagram profile.